Good day. In this video, I am going to talk about the 6 rules that will happen in my classroom if you are in my class. So the first rule that we're going to talk about is all students must pay attention in class when I am teaching. In other words, when I'm talking in class, no one else is to talk. When you are talking with your friend, you are not only disrespecting me, you are also disrespecting the rest of your classmates. Because these people, your classmates, are trying to learn, and when you are talking, you are interrupting their learning environment. Rule number 2. Put up your hand if you wish to speak or ask a question. In other words, I will not entertain anyone who shout out the answers in my classroom. The other thing is that always ask a question when in doubt. Don't wait until the end of the class or end of the period because you may have forgotten what you want to ask. Great. Now, rule number 3, you are going to do all tasks as requested by me. Okay? So if you have a homework, you have an assignment, you have an internal due, you have to finish them by a certain deadline. So senior student, no extension will be given unless you have spoken to the head of department. Great. Now we are going to do rule number 4. Rule number 4 sounds like this, okay? So, no eating, drinking, or throwing things from one end of the class to the other end in my class, okay? Those who throw paper or rubbish and you miss the bin, you will be writing lines. The line will sound like that. I must aim properly because I am not Steph Curry. You start with 25 and every time you miss, it's going to be double up until you have no more time to write lines anymore. Okay, rule number 5. At the end of each class, you are going to tidy up and put up all the chairs, tables, and the books in its original position. At the same time, you are going to pick up all the rubbish before you go to the next class. If it is the end of the day, you are also going to help me by shutting down all the windows in the classroom. Last but not least, you are going to bring all your stationery in class, including your notebook for note taking, your pen, and especially your calculators for all math lessons. On the other hand, if you are a senior student, you are also required to bring a laptop because you are doing your homework by watching the videos on Mr. Ong Math's lesson to do your homework. Okay, there are 3 other things that you need to do that you cannot really do in my classroom, and this is a no-no, okay? The first thing is that you are not allowed to use your mobile phone in class. If any time I catch you with a mobile phone, that phone will be confiscated. Okay, next one. Nobody is allowed to leave the classroom without permission granted. So if you want to go to the toilet, you better ask for permission. And the other thing, if you leave just before the bell and I catch you, then you'll be in deep trouble. Last but not least, you are not allowed to touch my school computer as well as my plan book. The reason is my school computer has all your grading throughout the year. You are not allowed because you can change the grade on my computer as well as my plan book. And sometimes past examination can be found on my computer and my plan book. So these are the 6 rules as well as 3 things that you definitely cannot do in my classroom. Hopefully I'll see some of you this year, 2024. In 2 weeks time, I'll see you in school. And after that, all the best and good luck for 2024. Cheers everyone and have a good day.